Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to mount a GoPro camera on a motorcycle helmet for cheap. So it's gonna go right here on the chin area. You're gonna need a few things. First, you're gonna need a motorcycle helmet. Then you're gonna need a GoPro camera. This isn't actually a GoPro, it's one of those Chinese knockoff sorts. It's not actually mine, it's my roommate's. He's letting me use it for the summer because he's out of the country, which is pretty cool. Then you're gonna need some rubber bands. I got these at Target for I think 49 cents. And you're gonna need some Velcro. I got this 4-foot roll of Velcro at the hardware store for like $5. It's probably cheaper if you get the generic brand, but I went all out and got the legit Velcro stuff. And you're gonna need some scissors. So let's get started. This video may suck because for one, I don't make YouTube videos, and for two, I'm recording it with a cell phone and I only have 2 hands. So let's try this out. Okay, right now I actually have the cell phone clamped inside of my helmet with the visor, so I can use both hands while I'm doing this. Hopefully it's a good angle. Okay, so you're going to want to get your camera and your rubber bands, and then you're going to want to put the rubber bands on the camera kind of like this. And now you've got something that looks sort of like this. A GoPro camera wrapped in rubber bands. Alright, now we are going to be mounting the camera on the helmet. This is where the Velcro we bought comes in handy. You need to cut off a couple of strips about this length. It needs to be long enough to go around here, and then attach to itself. Like that. I don't know if you can see it because it's a black piece of Velcro on a black helmet, but it'll make sense. Now you get this Velcro. And run it through the rubber bands. You should end up with something like this. Now we're going to put it on the helmet. One thing to keep in mind is that when you're wearing the helmet, it's more at this angle than that when it's laying down the table. So rather than putting it down here, we're going to put it aiming that way. So let's do it. And voila, it is attached. Let's try it out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Passing by a bus stop.